In this video, I will show you how to solve network problems in Messenger. If you have problems like mine, see how to solve them. No messages are going to be sent with Facebook Messenger. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Mobile Settings. Now click on Apps. Then click on Manage Apps. Find the Messenger application here. Then click on Clear Data. Now try to open Messenger apps. If this method does not work on your mobile, then you should follow the next procedure. Second method. If Messenger doesn't work, then go to Google Play Store. Find the Facebook Messenger app from here. Now update your Messenger apps. Hope your problem has been solved.